Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you exactly how to add Adobe Photoshop to your Start menu in Windows 11. If you are tired of searching through your apps folder every single time you need to start a design project, pinning Photoshop to your Start menu or taskbar is the most efficient way to save time and streamline your workflow. It is incredibly simple to set up and makes opening your favorite software instant. If this tutorial helps you get organized, please take a second to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful Windows tips. To get started, let's look at the first method, which involves using your desktop shortcut. If you already have a Photoshop icon sitting right there on your desktop, you have a direct path to the Start menu. Simply locate that Adobe Photoshop shortcut, right-click on it, and look for the option in the menu that says Pin to Start. Once you click that, it is done. Your application will now appear in your Pinned Apps section whenever you tap the Windows key. If you do not have a shortcut on your desktop, don't worry, because you can also pin it directly from the Windows search bar. Go ahead and press your Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu search interface. Type the word Photoshop directly into the search bar. Within a split second, you should see Adobe Photoshop appear at the top of your results list. Move your mouse over that result and perform a right-click. A contextual menu will drop down and you will see the Pin to Start option. Click it and you will see the shortcut instantly materialize in your pinned apps grid. Now I have an extra pro tip for you that many power users prefer. If you want even faster access, you can choose to pin it to your bottom taskbar instead. When you right-click the Photoshop icon in your search results, you will also see an option for Pin to Taskbar. Choosing this keeps the icon permanently visible on the bottom bar of your screen, meaning you only need one single click to launch your editor, no matter what other windows you have open. This is a game changer for anyone doing daily design work. By following these simple steps, you have ensured that your most important tool is always exactly where you need it. If you found these shortcuts helpful, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.